Neurons are specialized cells responsible for sending and receiving information throughout the nervous system. There are two principal types of neurons essential in neurotransmission: pre- and postsynaptic. Presynaptic neurons fire neurotransmitters as a result of an action potential entering its axon terminal. Postsynaptic neurons receive neurotransmitters and may experience an action potential depending on the strength of the neurotransmitter. Pre- and postsynaptic neurons are separated by the synapse, where neuron signals are transmitted from one cell to the next. Electrical signals from one neuron are converted into chemical signals in order to pass information to the postsynaptic neurons. Communication between two neurons begins with an electrical impulse called an action potential. It travels from the axon of a presynaptic neuron towards the axon terminal. Because the action potential is unable to cross the synapse space, the energy causes membranous sacs, called vesicles, to move towards the membrane of the axon terminal. The fusion of these two membranes allows the contents of the vesicles, which are chemical signals, to be released into the synapse space, where they will travel through and then bind with the receptors on the postsynaptic neuron. This binding, in turn, creates an action potential in the postsynaptic neuron, which travels towards the cell body of the neuron. Upon this, the neurotransmitters that had bonded with the receptors are released back into the synapse, where some are degraded by enzymes and the remaining chemicals are repackaged. Neurotransmission occurs in two components of the brain: white and gray matter. Gray matter, named for its pink-gray color, contains the cell bodies, axon terminals, and nerve synapses. White matter, on the other hand, is composed of a bundle of axons coated with proteins and lipids to help conduct nerve signals.